you like Monkey Farm, tap like, subscribe, and share so we can play together every day. Why is it so wet? Oh my. Oh my! The yard is flooded! The pigsty! It's gonna flood! Super Farmer Monkey is ready!
Hold on, everyone! I'm coming! Come on, Mr. Tractor! Let's save the farm! Come on!
Come on! Don't get stuck now! Water, go this way! Stay away from the pigs! Hurry, piggies! Go to the high ground!
Oink! Oink!
Stay here, safe and sound. I'm gonna get the others.
Oink! Thank you, Monkey!
Ducks, hold on tight! Don't slip! Don't slip! Quack! Hurry, little ones!
Good job! Hop in, I'll lift you up!
Safe landing!
The door is jammed!
You're free! Hurry, cow! Uh-oh, how do we cross this? Slowly, one step at a time. Pigs check, cows check, ducks check. Wait, where is Baby Rabbit? I hear something. Monkey, help!
Grab my hand, Rabbit!
I'm scared. Oh no.
Reverse and pull. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Monkey! I thought I was gone!
It's okay. As long as we have each other, we never give up.
Cluck, cluck, squawk!
One last wave. I have to divert it.
Success!
Cluck, cluck, hooray!
The storm was scary, but when we stay calm and work together, we can weather anything!
Straw so soft, straw so deep, keeping eggs safe while they sleep. Cluck, cluck, da. Since when does straw puff up like a balloon? What kind of egg is this big?
Cluck! Squawk! That is definitely N-O-T mine!
Then, who left it here? Oink! That egg would keep me full for a week.
Watch out! Maybe it's a dinosaur egg!
Quack! A dino egg in a chicken coop!
I think it's a flying cow egg.
Since when do cows lay eggs?
No matter whose egg it is, it's on our farm now. We will hatch it and care for it together, okay?
Agreed!
Gently, the egg is sleeping. Cluck. Oh my! It's too big! I can't cover it!
Everyone takes a turn. It stays warm, it's fun, and no one gets a sore bottom.
Oink! Sitting is my talent.
Oh, I'm getting.
Sleepy.
Don't fall asleep. Remember, hug the egg, don't squash the egg. Be warm. Be mysterious egg. Feel the energy.
Once upon a time, there was a very brave little bird who dreamed of flying high.
Does the egg speak in pig tummy language?
Oink! Oh no! A cold front! We have to keep the egg warm! Don't worry, we are here with you!
Cluck, cluck. This time, it's for real. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and hatch.
Oink, oink, quack, quack, cluck, cluck.
Hello? Mystery baby? Peep.
Peep, not a dinosaur.
Not a flying cow either.
It's a baby peacock. Do I just look like you guys?
His tail is so weird.
I'm not a chicken. They won't like me.
Different doesn't mean bad. Maybe being different makes you the most special one on the farm.
Cockadoodle.
Peep?
Needs more practice.
Try spreading your tail just a bit. A little more. Quack! So beautiful.
Oink! It's like fireworks on his bum.
Cluck, the star of the coop. From now on, this is home for chickens and baby peacock too.
Really? I have a home.
The giant egg brought a big surprise. We are all a little different, but with patience and love.
Today, the whole vegetable garden gets a delicious drink. Spray to the left, spray to the right. Growing veggies is a delight. Huh? Why is this spot not wet at all? Hey, water! Land there! Missing air! Why are you missing it? Bone dry here. Soaking wet there. That's weird. What? It looks like the water is being drained underneath. I need to see what's going on underground. Safety first. No running or jumping inside this line. Just a shallow dig. Must protect the veggies. Woo! Groundwater.
Aha! A broken underground pipe. That's why the soil here is different.
Huh? Wow! What is that sound? thing is swimming. In the mud?
Oh no! Fish! If the water runs out, they'll be stuck in the mud. If I turn off the water, the fish dry out. If I leave it, the field floods and sinks. I have to do both.
Everyone, bring buckets, basins, and nets to the field. Fish rescue mission. Digging a gentle ramp. Don't want to break the pipe further. Gently now, don't hurt them.
Oink! Bucket coming through.
Easy. Don't be scared, I've got you.
Quack! They are such good swimmers. Woof! They almost lost their swimming pool.
Take a break, water. Measure, cut, fit, and tighten. Done. Works perfectly. Works perfectly.
A leak wastes water, hurts the veggies, sinks the ground, and traps fish.
A small crack causes big trouble. Yep.
Here is your new home, little friends.
There. All wet and happy.
Quack! The veggies are smiling.
Thanks to a strange dry patch, we found a leak, saved the fish, and saved the field. Keep your eyes open for little changes, and
Digger, digger, strong and yellow. Fix the fields, you helpful fellow.
What was that?
That was close. Almost got stuck.
Lunch. Strange. But there wasn't a hole here yesterday. Whoa! Quicksand! Did someone say something? That's baby buffalo. He's stuck down there.
Danger zone. Nobody step closer. I'll dig around so you can breathe easier.
Monkey! I'm here. Don't worry, I'll pull you up. Ouch! Gently. My legs hurt. Oh, sorry. This way won't work.
Emergency! Baby buffalo is stuck in a mud pit. Everyone to the field now!
On my way.
Step 1, drain the water. Step 2, build a ramp. Step 3, pull them out together. Got it?
Roger that. I can breathe better, but I can't move my legs.
It's okay. Step 2, the ramp. Tie it around his belly, not the neck. Safety first.
Move.
I trust you guys.
1, 2, 3, pull!
Oh no! The plank is sliding! Hold tight.
I've got the ramp.
Almost there. Keep going.
1, 2, 3.
H-E-Eve.
I'm flying!
Oof. Who is on my tummy? Quack.
A mud bath makes your skin soft, you know?
A broken pipe made the soil soft, like soup. So that's why.
Now this ground will be solid as a rock. Even though it's fixed, remember, if you see soft, strange mud, stay away and tell an adult.
I promise. I'll tell all my friends.
The mystery pit was scary, but with calmness, science, and teamwork, we can fix anything.
Yeah!